Hello everyone. As always, disclaimer. Okay, Happy Mail hauls. These are all the cards and things you guys have sent me this time for 2 months. This is all of December and January because I didn't film December's because I was sick. Oh, not fun. So that all piled up, and then January piled up, and finally getting to it. So these are all cards you guys have made, and I'm going to share them all here. All of the actual specific info, if you've never watched a Happy Mail haul or you're curious about it or anything, will be in the description box below the video. It will also be on my blog. There's, you know, some guidelines, some of it's open-ended, like themes. Honestly, I'm very non-strict. I don't even really bother with themes. I mention them just because it'd be kind of fun, but I'm the worst. So anyway, kind of a mishmash. There's no real like order, like, oh, this showed up specific in December, again, because things take a while to get to me in Canada. So gonna go through this. So much fun stuff to share. So let's just dive right in. So this first, and my pile that I tried to organize. Okay, so this first little set, this is from Hope in Ontario. Those that have watched the Happy Mail haul for a while will recognize Hope does a lot of real cross stitching, like on fabric, and then she makes a lot of them into cards. She sent ornaments, all this fun stuff, but she does the cross stitching on the fabric and then she backs it with a little bit of cardstock and then like adheres it to cards, and it's just the amount of effort that go into these is a lot. So just really cute. Even like sentiments not have a whale of a time. Really, really cute. Also these little packs of, they're just little invitation cards that she sent, which I'm going to find someone that will really enjoy these and get use out of them. Because yeah, we don't do big birthday parties with the kids. Like, I keep them to family only because with 5 kids, we've already got enough for a party. So plus the stipulations at the kids' schools and stuff is you have to invite everyone, and anyway, that's a whole other story. But thank you so much, Hope. This is just really cute. This would make such a cute, like, just the idea of it too would make such a cute little, you know, new baby card, that sort of thing. I like how the sun is a heart. Love it. It's adorable. So we've got that one. And then this one from Cindy in Quebec. And Lawn Fawn. And I have this set. I purchased so much Lawn Fawn, and then Life Everything, I haven't used it. It's all sitting in a basket. But yeah, I like how, because when this came out, this was meant more like almost like Halloween style, but I really like how you used it for like a New Year card. So really, you could use it anytime. I think it's adorable. So yeah, I predict your year will be, and then wrote all this fun stuff. But yeah, filled with smiles, 2020. I love the banner, the foil background, curtains, all of it. So even the envelope, of course, was all decorated, which I just thought was adorable. I like the orange embossing. It really just kind of tied all together. And I like this color combo a lot. A lot. So thank you. So we've got that one. And this one from Ellen in Australia. New South Wales. Very like embossed, foiled. You guys know me. I like anything shimmery, shiny, appeals to my magpie tendencies, of course. So got that. And then this one from Gail in Virginia. Whole bunch of like embossing and texture. Little bit of bling. I like the slimline style. I've done a couple videos with the slimline cards. These are meant to fit in like your standard business, you know, envelopes. I need to do more because it does. It just kind of mixes it up a bit. So got that one. And then I've got this one from Santa in Finland. So cute little critters and a little watercolor background. Like, just really adorable. Stamping them on the inside. I just think that's so cute. So cute. And then this one from Nanette in North Carolina. Very like classy kind of Christmas card. I like little berries added with either like stickles or Nouveau drops, you know, just gives that little extra bit of bling. You guys know I love my bling. So we got that one. And then I've got This one from Elaine in Pennsylvania. And again, foiled. I love it. Love those just little foiled leaves and accents. It just really takes it up to the next level. So pretty. But that one. And this one from Muriel in Singapore. So, and Chris is texting me because I was sending him pictures of some of these things you guys sent. So he's responding. Yeah, cute little ornament, like a little shaker ornament card. So cute. Foiled. You guys know I love foil. Foil, shakers, bling, all that fun stuff. And this one was from Glenda. She was actually one of my giveaway winners. And to preface that, people that do win giveaways, like you're not required, you don't have to send a card or anything like that. It's always nice just to know that, you know, a quick email or whatever to know that it arrived, that sort of stuff. But yeah, cards are always appreciated, of course. So yeah, she won I think it was my Stamptamber giveaway. I had to go back through my files and figure out what was what, but pretty sure that was like one of the stamps in the giveaway. So that's really fun. Really fun. And then this one from Allison in Alberta. Really cute. I don't know if it's gonna, you can kind of see it. Yeah. She added a strip of, I assume you added it unless it was part of the paper, but I just like how it's like one little strip of just make one of these stripes glittery. It's just cute. I would be the type to do like every single one, but I really like, you know, just keeping it a little more subtle. So yeah, really adorable. And then this one from Sally in, I think Pennsylvania. So cute little scene made into basically a snow globe. Really adorable. Love it. It's got that one. And then this one from Lisa in California. And she mentioned, because I noticed this, like this little lady, she made that. You guys can kind of see. Let's see if I can, there we go. Isn't that neat? Things like, you know, cross-stitching, beading, like the amount of time that goes into even something like this. Like so much time. I did beading decades ago and I was horrible at it. I didn't have the patience like at all. So yeah, love is such a big word. It really should have more letters. Love it. Love it. I love the simplicity and then it just kind of makes this really stand out. Really cute. It's got that one. And then this one is from B. There was no full name on the envelope or in the card, so I'm not 100% sure who this is from. Love the card. Love this is one of the rabbit hole design. Has all those caffeinated critters that I have several of. I've used one in a video so far. Need to do more. But that's very much me. Pretty much all the time. Wake me up when winter's over. So she'd sent that one, and then she'd also sent these ones from the December and January. The themes. So we've got this really pretty purple and silver sparkly foiled card. And then for January, like love sort of a theme. Again, I like the black foil. There we go. It's reflective. Yeah, anyone who knows me knows. Anything that's like this, I'm very much into. It's like, ooh, it's reflective. It's shiny. So love that. And then this one from Lisa in Ontario. Another gorgeous Christmas card. I love the blue, silver, white. So classic. And a Starbucks card. Thank you. Like I always say, gifts are not like this. I'm just distracted. He's cute. I collect Starbucks cards. I get so inspired by them. I'm already thinking of like, ooh, I could do a card based on this. Thank you. That really makes my day. But yeah, gifts are never at all necessary. Very much appreciated, but not necessary. So yeah, love it though. So thank you so much, Lisa. And then this one from Linda. Really, really pretty vellum and just kind of classic Christmas. And then this one from Katie in Washington. So yeah, back in October, we had announced, got another card stuck there, announced on social media that Chris and I are engaged. I do get questions about it a lot when it gets brought up. Zero plans on a ceremony, like full wedding, anything like that. I'm just content with where things are with us. We're doing our thing. But I love, like, the cards, you know, that you guys have sent are just really, really pretty. So thank you. Thank you. So got that one. And then this one from Jan in California. I like how she took a piece of pattern paper and then die cut it with like stitching dies and then added embellishments like little snow. So those little Nouveau raindrop embellishments that I am a little bit obsessed with. So yeah, just a little quick, easy way to add a bit of bling. And then this is the one I was sending pictures of to Chris because I just got a kick out of it. So this is from Roberta in California. And there's the card. And she sent this little Christmas card with Santa and her 2 corgis, and made me laugh because I had mentioned in a video a while ago, I have a soft spot for corgis. That's the type of dog I'd really like to get. I used to babysit my aunt and uncle's corgi when I was little, all that stuff. But yeah, and then funny enough, Chris and I went to a place on the weekend. We had like our little date day or whatever and some time to ourselves. And we went to a place that is very pet friendly in the city, and people just bring their dogs and they have grooming there, and you can look at plants and home stuff, anything. And I lost my mind. There was just everyone, that was just the best day to be there. There were so many people there with their dogs. I got to pet all the good dogs, which all of them were good. And then someone walked in with a corgi. As ridiculous as it is, I almost ended up in tears. I keep to myself. I'm very, very introverted, especially like out in public. I just, you know, keep to myself. And even like approaching people with their dogs, I'm just like, but I couldn't resist. I had to go up to her and ask, you know, talk to her about her dog. And he had just been groomed, so he's all perfect with his little fuzzy butt. It killed me. It made my day. That funny little corgi. It was the cutest little thing ever. So yeah, thank you for this. This just made my day. So yeah, your card is also fabulous. So yeah, bling. We all know I love the bling. And then this one also from Roberta because, you know, 2 months worth of Happy Meal hauls. I love how you did the envelope. Like, fabulous. And the back's all stenciled. Like, it's just gorgeous. And then, like, an alcohol ink background and die cut and all that fun stuff. So, love that. And then we have this one from Susie in California. This is the little Lawn Fawn wafer die set, which again I have sitting and I haven't had a chance to use. All this is Lawn Fawn. And the little door opens up. Isn't that cute? So cute. So really adorable as always. And then we've got this one from Ija in Finland as well. Really just really pretty little square card with cute little penguins. So, so cute. The inside's all cute as well. Absolutely love it. Okay. Last but not least, this is from Evelyn in Estonia. Evelyn, I think you knew I already got the box because I had to sign for it, so I hope you got the notification like it was here like a month ago or whenever it was. Oi. Yeah, again, for those that might not have been watching consistently over the last couple of years, Evelyn is in Estonia and has made some of the most incredible like chocolate bar boxes and crocheted stuffed animals for my kids. The dragon, the blue dragon one, Gavin has it on his bed. He sleeps with it every night. And Caitlin's got her unicorn one and all that stuff. Like they love them. So anyway, she has made these incredible different packaging over the years, and my kids keep them all. The little ones probably in the end up destroying them. They play with them. But yeah, my kids keep them all. They're amazing. So she made all these gingerbread houses with these like glittery tops, and they're all personalized. Like this one's for Chris. Like, I'm just blown away. Chris is blown away. I had to stop filming so I could open everything and then send him pictures at work, and he's just flabbergasted as well. Like, absolutely fabulous. There's like, you know, funny little stamps on the bottom of Are the holidays over yet? It's happiest season of all, thanks to wine. Truth. All of it. Thank you. There's even one for the cat. Marbles. It's not a puppy, sorry. Yeah. These little cat treats. Oh, they are too. She will love that. She will love that. We finally actually just got through we've been using the treats for her when it's time for me to trim her nails because she's horrible. A little laser pointer. Oh, she will love that. When she hears this, that like little clinking sound, she comes running and makes, because she's a tortoiseshell cat, she makes the weirdest little like noises. Anyone who has tortoiseshells, apparently this is a thing with them, but she makes the weirdest noises and she knows. And then she looks at specific areas, especially right above the stairs, because we try to get her to run up and down the stairs with the laser pointer because she's getting massively overweight because she's just lazy. And lately she doesn't go more than halfway up the stairs before she gives up. But yeah, she loves the laser pointer, so thank you. The kids, we use them up like crazy around here. That's really cute. So thank you so much, Evelyn. The kids are going to have an absolute blast with these. Beautiful card as well. All very blingy and textured and just, and even a wax seal. I love wax seals. There's something about the wax seal. So yeah, I am massively overwhelmed. Thank you all for the fabulous cards, the gifts, all of the engagement cards. You know, you guys are just amazing. All of you. And again, another disclaimer as always. Never compare your card making to another's. I mentioned this, I think, in my last Happy Mail haul video, you know, a couple months ago. You know, don't compare your chapter 1 with someone else's chapter 20, etc. We all got to start somewhere. My first cards were very, very basic. You know, you just do it for the love of it. And then you just keep picking up supplies and techniques and what you like and all that stuff. And yeah, I love sharing, you know, what gets sent to me. It's never a contest over whose is the best, etc. Like, that just is not even a concern at all. So yeah, just saying, trying to get all this kind of organized so I can take a, you know, thumbnail picture for YouTube. But yeah, I hope, you know, you guys enjoyed watching this and just getting inspired. That's what I always end up with, is just a ton of inspiration, a ton of gratitude. Have the best little community here on YouTube, on my Facebook page, my Instagram, all of that as well. I link below. Huge thank you to my patrons. Because of you guys, I'm able to, you know, do what I do, and I just appreciate the support. And yeah, that's it for now. All the info, like I said, about the Happy Mail haul, etc., will be in the description box below, as well as my mailing address. That as well. That'll be there. So you can check that out if you're interested. Thank you all so much for watching, subscribing, thumbs up, and commenting. If you want to leave love or comments or questions about anything to the people who sent stuff in, make sure to do so in the comments below so that they'll hopefully see them and can respond if they need to. Plus, it's just nice for them to hear, you know, nice positive things. That always makes my day, so I always hope that it makes their day as well. And yeah, finally somewhat caught up with this thing, and then I can get on to the next video. Again, thank you, love, hugs, all the things, and I will see you guys very soon in the next video.